Hello, I'm Tony. Welcome to Follow Me Exercise. This is Workout for Health Part 2, Cardio. This is the second in 3 series for a workout. This is designed primarily for folks with different health kinds of problems, joint issues, and specifically for patients that might have weight restrictions in terms of not being able to lift heavy weights. Be sure to catch the other parts on my channel. Also be sure to always check with the physician before starting this or any exercise program. You're going to need enough space to move around, so a place free of clutter to do this workout. Go ahead and get started. Just marching in place to start off with. So to make sure you understand when you're doing this cardio workout, what I want you to do is be able to be still at a conversation level in terms of your difficulty. If you're barely able to talk, that's a bit too much. You need to wind it down, go slower with the motions that we're doing, and or just come back to this marching in place. Your heart's way up too high in terms of the heart rate if you're at that level. So you should be kind of a little bit like this with your being able to talk. But it shouldn't be too strenuous, okay, where you can't talk whatsoever. All right, from here we're gonna do marching back and forth. So you're gonna go forward step, back step. So I'm putting my right foot forward and then back. The left foot is still marching in place. And you might not think that this is much, but after you do it for a while it is. And if you can, with any of these motions, if you feel that you're able to, and you have the cardiovascular endurance for it, just increase the rate. So if you see like me, at this rate, it's a lot faster. It's not quite a run, more like speed walking speed. I'm going to go back to the rate that I was going at before. Again, go at your own pace. Just make sure that you're doing it and not just sitting on the couch or decided to click off this video and move on to shopping for things on Amazon or whatever, or falling down the YouTube hole by clicking on lots of videos and not actually doing any exercise. All right, let's switch. So it's going to be now the left foot going forward and back. Arms are still swinging. Again, if you can go faster, go faster. If it's too much for you, just go at a slower rate than what I'm doing. It's okay. Anything you can do to get moving around, getting that heart rate up a bit, is going to be beneficial. Ideally, you would like to do 20 minutes of cardiovascular exercise 3 times a week. This workout isn't necessarily going to give you that amount. Again, because it's for beginners as well as for some special populations from the criteria I stated in the beginning of the video. Anybody can join along. If you want to get that extra 20 minutes, you're welcome just to pause the video at any of these movements and just increase the length of them. All right. Next, we're going to do side stepping with lateral raises. And again, same principle, doing this motion. You just do it faster. Like at this speed, that'll increase your heart rate more. I'm going to just go at this kind of even pace. If it's too much for you, just go slower and do what you can. This also has some added benefit of strengthening up some hip musculature at the same time from going side to side like this. Make sure your posture's nice and good too, keeping your torso up nice and high. Keeping your back straight, head up. Nice deep breaths. I'm talking throughout this whole thing. You don't have to talk, obviously, but I do want you trying to breathe nice and big. Never hold your breath for exercise. It's not good. All right, we're gonna do the side stepping again, except this time we're gonna be going above the head, raising the roof. Up and down, up and down. Let's go. Might have been a little bit of a tricky switch. For coordination for this, don't worry if you can't do it. Again, just go right back to marching in place, or do your own variation, or just keep doing the one you were just doing. It's fine. Again, I try to add in some variety, because if you don't add in variety and workouts get boring, you stop doing them. Nice deep breaths. All right, let's add this now. Some cardio boxing. Go back to marching in place for a moment while I demonstrate what we're going to be doing. You're marching, I'm going to be doing the demonstration. I'm going to be doing jabs. I'm going to be weight shifting back and forth, putting out my jab with my left hand, my left leg's forward, my right foot's back, and there's a little bit of a twist to my front and pivot to my front leg. That's the jab, all right? So go, everybody get into that position, and let's do 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is not meant to be a snappy movement. 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't want any really snappy, fast movements like that. Just nice and gentle, putting the arm out there and back. 10. Oh, so I'll just call it 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Go back to marching in place while I demonstrate the next one. It's just going to be jab cross. While you're marching in place, I'm demonstrating jab cross. Looks like this. So it's a forward twist with the foot a little bit, and then a pivot in the back foot. So jab cross like that. All right, everybody join me. Jab cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Everybody go back to marching in place. Give me that heart rate up while I demonstrate the next one. it's going to be a jab, cross, hook. So it's the lead hand, rear hand, lead hand again, coming across. Again, it looks like this. Notice the pivoting going on with my feet. Let's go ahead and get started. Come join me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, let's switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good, go back to marching in place. We're going to add on to it. Let me demonstrate. You're going to be marching while I do the next demonstration. It's going to be jab, hook, cross, slip, bob, and weave. All right? Jab, cross, hook, and it automatically goes into a bob and weave. So when my head's coming down, my body's lowering, doing this little circular motion like that, okay? Seen in boxing all the time. Let's go ahead and get started. Jab, cross, hook, bob, and weave. Jab, cross, hook, bob, and weave. So I'm not ever taking my eyes off the camera. The same thing should be for you. You really shouldn't be taking your eyes off at all. So in other words, I don't want you bobbing down and looking at the floor. You're staying upright with your torso. So it's a great little way to sneak in some lower body work into our cardio. And I, at this point, have lost count. Let's stop there and switch to the other side. So again, it's jab, cross, hook, bobbing and weaving. Right back into jab, cross, hook, bob and weave. Jab, cross, hook, bob and weave. Bob and weave. Jab, cross, hook, bob and weave. Jab, cross, hook, bob and weave. Jab, cross, hook, bob and weave. Again, jab, cross, hook, bob and weave. Jab, cross, hook, bob and weave. Jab, cross, hook, bob and weave. Got a little bit too far over that time, but didn't let it upset me. Just keep going. Jab, cross, hook, bob and weave. 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 Let's go back to marching in place. Whew. Let's do the last bit of our cardio. It's going to be jab, cross, and knee. So it's going to look like this. You guys keep going. Jab, cross, knee. Jab, cross, knee. Jab, cross, knee. And I'm bringing my hands down at the same time as I'm pulling my opponent in. Jab, cross, knee. All right, come join me. Jab, cross, knee. Jab, cross, knee. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's switch. Weave other leg. Jab, cross, knee. Jab, cross, knee. Jab, cross, knee. Jab, cross, knee. jab, cross, knee, 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 jab, cross, knee. Don't worry too much at this point about form. Again, this is not a forms competition. It's just cardiovascular endurance. You can't get the knee up as high as me, it doesn't matter. Just as long as you're up moving, trying to get that heart rate up. All right, good. Let's go back to marching in place for a bit. Calming it down, lowering the heart rate a little bit. All right, great. Thanks for watching and participating. Be sure to watch the other 2 parts in this series, both the stretching and strength training part. Also, you can have lots of other great videos to watch on my site, Follow Me Exercise, here on YouTube. Please like, subscribe, and come back again. And of course, keep on moving and exercising. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.